one at a time. Guys, my mom watched a clip of me yesterday, and she said that I'm crazy. She saw the hi. She was like, oh, now everybody knows that you sound like a kid when you're on the phone. And I'm like, what the f***? She's like, now everyone knows the truth. And I'm like, what the f***? I'm an adult. She goes, I know you're an adult, but no one believes it. And she was like, if you were really an adult, you'll always be a baby. And I'm like, I'm not a baby. I'm an adult woman. And she's like, you'll always be my baby. And I'm like, And then she saw the ball inversion clip. I was like, what are you saying? Are you saying bolas? Pero que balls ni balls? Bolas? And I'm like, yeah, bolas. And she was like, bolas? Oh my God. Yes, bolas. Balls. Excuse me.